The system that runs these satellite dishes, and as you can tell, there's no preventable locks on these things to stop people from getting in here and cutting off stuff. There is nothing on this lever right here to stop people from turning it down. I was told the kids been messing with these machines and they're like play toys to them. But what does that mean to us as citizens? Once the kids get in here and start messing with these things need to have a case over it and some type of official documentation that nobody else can get into this. It's got the photo, see, just letting you know. They ain't nothing but taking pictures up there, satellites.